Hello everyone. Welcome back to English Tales Pod. My name is John. Today, I want to tell you another story about Anna. Last time, Anna shared her favorite book with Daniel. She talked about stories, characters, and reading. Today, Anna visits a very special place. She goes to the library. Let's begin. It is Saturday morning. The city is quiet. The weather is nice. The sun is shining through Anna's window. Anna wakes up slowly. She opens her eyes. She looks at the light in her room. She smiles. It feels like a peaceful morning. Anna sits up in bed. Near her bed, there is a small table. On the table, there is a book. It is the book she finished last night. Anna liked the book very much. The story was interesting. The characters were kind. The last page made her smile. Now she wants to read another book. Anna gets out of bed. She walks to the kitchen. She makes a cup of tea. She sits near the window and thinks. She wants to find a new story. She wants to read something easy. She wants to learn new English words. Then, Anna has an idea. She decides to visit the library. The library is not far from her apartment. It takes about 15 minutes to walk there. Anna gets dressed. She puts her notebook in her bag. She also takes a pen. She wants to write new words. Then, she leaves her apartment. Outside, the morning air feels fresh. People are walking on the street. Some people are going to work. Some people are walking with their children. Some people are sitting in cafes. Anna walks slowly. She enjoys the quiet morning. She likes walking in the city. After 15 minutes, Anna arrives at the library. The building is large and beautiful. There are big windows. There is a quiet garden near the entrance. Anna looks at the building and smiles. She feels excited. She opens the door and goes inside. The library is very peaceful. It is clean and bright. There are many books everywhere. There are big shelves. There are small shelves. There are colorful books. There are old books. There are new books. Anna loves the smell of books. It makes her feel calm. At the front desk, Anna sees a librarian. The librarian is friendly. She smiles at Anna. "Good morning," the librarian says. Anna smiles back. "Good morning," Anna says. The librarian asks, "Can I help you?" Anna says, "Yes, please. I would like a library card." The librarian gives Anna a small form. Anna writes her name. She writes her address. She writes her phone number. Then she gives the form back to the librarian. The librarian checks the form. A few minutes later, she gives Anna a library card. Anna feels happy. Now she can borrow books. The librarian shows Anna the English book section. There are many English books for beginners. Some books are short. Some books are long. Some books have pictures. Some books have simple stories. Anna looks at the shelves carefully. She wants to choose the right book. Anna walks slowly between the shelves. She picks up one book. Then she puts it back. She picks up another book. She reads the first page. The words are easy. The story looks interesting. Anna keeps the book in her hand. Then, Anna finds a second book. This book is about animals. It has beautiful pictures. The sentences are short. Anna thinks it is perfect for English practice. She takes that book too. Now, she has 2 books. Before she leaves, Anna finds a quiet table. She sits down. She opens the first book. She reads the first chapter. The chapter is short, but it is useful. Anna learns 5 new words. She writes the words in her notebook. She repeats the words quietly. Around Anna, other people are reading too. A young boy is reading a comic book. An old man is reading a newspaper. A woman is studying for an exam. Nobody is speaking loudly. Everyone is focused. The library feels calm. Anna likes this feeling. After 1 hour, Anna closes the book. She takes the books to the front desk. The librarian scans Anna's library card. Then she scans the books. The librarian says, "Please return these books in 2 weeks." Anna smiles and says, "Thank you. I will." Anna puts the books in her bag. Then she leaves the library. Outside, the sun is still shining. The city is busier now, but Anna feels calm and happy. She has 2 new books. She has 5 new words in her notebook, and she has a new place to visit every week. When Anna gets home, she makes a cup of tea. She sits near the window. She opens one of the library books. She begins to read. The story is simple. The words are clear. Anna enjoys every page. That evening, Anna thinks about the library. She thinks it is a wonderful place. It is quiet. It is comfortable. It is full of knowledge. Anna wants to go there again. Maybe next week she will borrow more books. Maybe Daniel will come with her. Maybe they will read together. For Anna, reading is not only a hobby. Reading helps her learn. Reading helps her relax. Reading helps her understand new ideas. Every book is like a small journey. And today, Anna started a new journey at the library. Thank you for listening to English Tales Pod. I hope you enjoyed Anna's story. In the next episode, we will discover what happens next in Anna's life. Keep listening, keep learning, and see you soon. To get the PDF file and the audio version of this episode, please visit the link in the description or join our English Tales Pod Telegram channel. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more English stories and learning content. See you in the next episode.